This is a certified pre-owned 2011 BMW 328. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, the Value Package, a navigation system, BMW Assist, a heated steering wheel, a power moonroof, heated seats, a Sport Package, a sport suspension, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: Sirius satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, cruise control, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
BMW of Nashville is located at 4040 Armory Oaks Drive in Nashville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.